So Sarthi is completely gone for a change of look. What we have done, we have added some storage space to this seat. We have extended about 8 inch further, finding place to safely store these things and easily accessible at the same time would be difficult. We are ready to sleep. But one thing is, so if one of us wanted to use the toilet at that point of time, how? Hello viewers, Namaste. For those of you who are watching our channel for the first time, I am Tara. My partner Vipin and my 9-year-old son will be teaming up with you all in our travel venture, and our channel, our Travel Souvenirs, will take utmost privilege in bringing forth our travel memories, our travel experiences, minutes and moments of our entire journey. So welcome. It's been a while that we have come in front of you with our next video, and that was because behind the scene we were busy doing some modifications, bringing out some additions, and exciting to showcase that in front of you this time. But without our most important member of the family, not mentioned, I cannot go further. You must be wondering who this member is. Well, it's our beloved van, and we proudly named it as Sarthi. So Sarthi is completely gone for a change of look. What we have done is to improve its external appeal, and we've added some aesthetic appearance to the van. There are quite a few things that we have done. So we've added more storage spaces. Starting from the beginning, we have added some storage space to this seat. We have extended about 8 inch further, and we have 2 compartments to store our shoes, maybe clothes, or some other important items that we would like to carry with us. So that's one thing. Next, we have added some side roof boxes. These sides, this will take care of some small items like cups, cutleries, mobile chargers, accessories, other travel accessories, small items. uh, by which way we can organize the cabin a bit more, you know. Uh, Placing certain things in certain places, we'll know what and easily accessible during our travel, instead of digging into one whole box. So when we are traveling for long distances, we would like to carry a lot of things, and finding place to safely store these things, and easily accessible at the same time would be difficult. So we are looking for spaces wherever we can, and we found this dead space here on the roof side. This is not going to interfere with the view of the driver, and also for the sitting comfort in the seat. So you can see that there are 2 people can comfortably sit, 2 to 3 people can comfortably sit. That's adequate. Also, while sleeping, we can place our mobile or the charger, because we have the charging AC plug here. So this is not going to interfere with that. We can safely place it here and go for sleeping. So this is as far as storage is concerned. Next, about the cosmetic changes we have done. So we have done quite a few of cosmetic changes. So to start with, we have replaced all the shabby wallpapers into laminates, wood grain finish. That is tremendously improved the look. Also, it adds durability to the wood. Also, for the floor, we've added a wood panel, and on top of it we have carpeted with the matching window blinds. So this has also improved the look tremendously. Also the feel, it feels like a cozy, comfortable house now. We have replaced the cushion covers, which was previously cloth. We have replaced that into resin. So once we are ready to go to the bed and we lay the cushions in the bed format, we just have to go for a cloth fitted bed sheet, which should take care of the bed, and thereafter it's more comfortable to sleep in the bed. We have some cushions. We have used some cushions again, which can be used for storage as well. So these cushions, you can fill these cushions with cloths, blankets, and other soft materials, and as and when you want to use it, you can use it and use the cushion for pillows. So now time to go to the bed. We have laid the bed. We are ready to sleep. But one thing is, so if one of us wanted to use the toilet at that point of time, how? So it was important that placing of the toilet should be such that even in the middle of the night, if you want to use the toilet, you can remove it without disturbing anybody who's sleeping. So for that, we have placed the toilet in such a way that while in the bed format, we can remove the toilet. How? We'll show you. modification on this box. So we've added now a removable door to this box. So once you remove this, I can just slide this out. Yeah. So this is the space. This much space has gone for the toilet. And this can be used as a chopper board also. This box. You can see. There were many inquiries from our subscribers, and they wanted to know how we have placed our travel accessories and how we have organized the cabin. So this video is also to help viewers understand, help viewers with how we have managed storing all our things inside the cabin. And then coming to the kitchen part, we did not spare the kitchen. We did some modifications there too. It's mostly improving the look and the feel of the kitchen. So previously we had wallpapers there also. So we removed the wallpapers. Now we have placed PVC material adhesive wall tiles. It looks very similar to tiles, but it is not tiles. It is added to the aesthetic appeal of the kitchen. And previously during our camping experience, we have seen winds and dust were a big issue. Since it's open outside, you know, and strong windy conditions, it was blowing off the flames of the stove. So for that, we have now catered for a canvas tent, which encloses the you know, when the rear door is lifted, this serves as a roof and the base for hanging our enclosed tent from behind. So this encloses the kitchen area. It's almost like a room now where we can safely cook. Also, it prevents the stray animals, you know, from getting attracted to food and smell, you know. So that's one thing. Also, you know, while cooking, we don't want the dust to fall into our food. So it takes care of all those issues now. Then, now for the additions, what we have done. If we are to halt in the night conditions, and if you have to camp in the night conditions, we realize that we need more vicinity from outside, you know, and especially in places where you don't have street lights or something like that. So we've added some 12-volt you know, solar driven lights on 3 sides. They're quite strong, quite powerful, and you will see in the demo that it's very, very helpful for camping, night camping especially. During the daytime, you have to cover it with a black cloth, because we are not, by RTO regulations, we are not supposed to be using this light during our drive. So if you cover it with a black cloth, it's fine. It's fine with the regulation. But another thing that I forgot to mention is you're seeing these tapestries here. They are basically our blinds for the windows. And we realized that we had done something with the magnet blinds that we bought it ready-made from Amazon. They are custom made for Ecovan. So, but you know, if you use it like just like that, you find that it's kind of see-through in the night when you're using light from inside. So there's no privacy. So we had to blind it. We had to blind it in a nice way, since we had already made some cosmetic changes, and we thought we should. This is a very important visible space, and so what we did was we made it opaque by pasting this tapestry cloth. We chose this color according to the interiors, and on one side we pasted aluminum reflective sheets, which reflects the heat off from the sun. And when we have tested it and used it, we realized it's actually the best thing we have done for this van. It not only had increased the look and the feel of the cabin space, but it completely blinds even during the afternoon time. Afternoon you want to rest or watch TV, there is no light interference inside, and you will see that in the video. We have made a demo video on that also. And this aluminum sheet on the outside, you know, has considerably reduced the cabin temperature. It's about 10 degrees. So relatively it's so cool inside now. So these are the changes and additions that we have done in this van. Hope you have liked it. Do mention your comments, your suggestions here with this video. We would be very happy to take your advices, suggestions and views very seriously. And if you see that we have blundered somewhere, and if you can highlight any issues that we have not seen, we would be happy to investigate those issues and modify it further. But as for us, for now, we have done what possibly we could have done. We are actually now waiting to start our journey. As my son's exams are going, and he's likely to finish his exams by end of this month, by April 1st week, we are all set to begin our journey into the unknown, unknown miles we desire to travel, and bring all those into all those stories and unfolding experiences to you in the best way we can. Hope you like those videos. People who are watching this for the first time and who have liked our content, please do encourage us with hitting a like button. And if you are happy with our content, stay subscribed. And new viewers, please subscribe, as we promise to bring exciting episodes which should keep you engrossed with our channel. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Have a nice time. Till our next video. See you. Bye.